So there is a video of chapter 5 Mughal Empire for class 7 students. Today I give a video of chapter 5 Mughal Empire. Okay, from this chapter page number 72, 73 and 74, from these three pages some I give some gist. Okay, এই তিনটে পেজ থেকে আমি তোমাদেরকে একটা জিস্ট দিয়েছি বাবরের সম্বন্ধে, হুমায়ুনের সম্বন্ধে অ্যান্ড আকবরের সম্বন্ধে। ঠিক আছে, তো ফ্রম দিস থ্রি পেজেস আমি তোমাদেরকে একটা জাস্ট জিস্ট দিয়েছি, পয়েন্টস দিয়েছি, কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট পয়েন্টস 72, 73 অ্যান্ড 74 পেজ থেকে। আর মুঘল এম্পায়ারের এই পেজের আগে প্রিভিয়াস ক্লাসে আমি তোমাদেরকে 70 and 71 page, who are Mughals, who are Badshah, who are a sovereign ruler, who are the Mughals, who became the first Mughal empire. So about this in the previous class I give a video, and now from page 72, 73 and 74 I give you a PDF, a gist of the a gist of some important points from these three pages. It is very this PDF is very important for your exam, that Babur was the first Mughal empire. When he succeeded his throne, at which year he succeeded his throne, he defeated Afghans in the first battle of Panipat. Then from how much year to how much year Babur ruled. Okay, and whom he defeated Ibrahim Lodi and Afghan supporters of Panipat in 1526, and in 1527 he defeated Rana Sangha, the king of Mewar. Okay, and he also defeated some Rajput rulers, and he make allies at Kanua. Okay, now in 1529 he made a battle of Ghagra. That is, in this battle Babur fought battle against Afghans, and ultimately he won the battle in 1529. Okay, so you have to remember these points, that from which year Babur ruled India and how much, up to 1530 he ruled. Then in 1526 what he did, 1527 what he did, in 1529 what he did. These things, these dates are very important, you have to remember. Okay, now Humayun, how much, from 1530 to 1540 he ruled, and from 1555 to 1556 he ruled. Within this year he made something, he divided his properties, inheritance of his father among the brothers. His brothers were also given some provinces, but his brother Mirza Karim was fought against Humayun. Okay, fought against Humayun and weakened Humayun. Okay, and his brother did not help Humayun when he fought against Afghans. Okay, though Humayun helped his brother, give his property to his brother, but he did not get any help from his family relation or from his brother. His brother defeated Humayun. Okay, then Sher Khan defeated Humayun at Chausa in 1539 and at Kanauj in 1540, and then Humayun forced to flee to Iran. Okay, and in Iran Humayun received help from Safavid Shahar কাছ থেকে হুমায়ুন ultimately help চেয়েছিল, and then he again tried to recapture Delhi in 1555, but he died in the next year after an accident in a building He fell down from the stairs of the library in Delhi, Purana Koeli, and there he died. Okay, so these are the things what he did during his rule or during his empire. Okay, so these things you have to read, you have to remember about Humayun, about Babur, and about Akbar. Akbar was 13 years old when he became the emperor. His reign divided into three periods. One is 1556 to 1570. At this time, he became independent from Bairam Khan and other domestic members of his members of domestic staff. Bairam Khan was a king who want to defeated Babur, want to defeat Akbar, but Akbar ultimately get independent from Bairam Khan and from the other domestic staff of Akbar. Then in 1556, with the help of Bairam Khan, Akbar defeated again Afghans in the second battle of Panipat, and he tried to occupy central India and other small states along with northwest frontier, Chittor, Gujarat and Bengal East. Then in 1568, Akbar conquered Chittor. Akbar also developed good relations with the Rajputs, and in 1576, Akbar defeated Rana Pratap Singh, and in 1570 and 1585 he made military campaigns in Gujarat, in the east of Bihar, Bengal and Orissa, and in these campaigns it was complicated by the 1579 and 1580. In this military campaign, some complications occurred in the revolt in this campaign in 1579 and 1580 in support of Mirza Hakim. Okay, now what he did in 1585 and 1605, he expanded his empire. He launched some campaigns in the northwest. His Khandekar was seized from Safavid. Kashmir was annexed as also Kabul after the death of Mirza Hakim. Campaigns in the Deccan started, and in Khandes and parts of Ahmednagar were annexed, and in the last year of his reign, Akbar was distracted by the rebellion of Prince Salim, the future emperor Jahangir, and at last he ultimately defeated or distracted or destroyed by Prince Salim, that is the future emperor Jahangir. Okay, so these are the things you have to read about Akbar, about Humayun and about Babur. So please note down these points in your copy, and this PDF please note down in your copy and submit me. Okay.